Hello, Malcolm. In this video, I'll be showing you some tips and tricks to use in Snake Lash. So the first one is ensuring that these three options at the bottom, start level, speed, and item power, have been upgraded as much as your money can allow. Make sure you are doing these challenges. That will give you more money to spend on upgrades, and also it'll give you some cool skin rewards. Also, make sure you can upgrade your character. This increases your speed, how much XP you get, how much coin, how increased coin gain, etc. I've not unlocked this yet. And in the game, the main thing that you need to do is just level up your character as much as possible. Doing this will allow you to have a higher chance to eat other players who have just started the game too. Because in this game, if you have a higher level than another person, you can eat them. If you have a lower level than the other person, you cannot eat them. So yeah, that is my main advice and tips. Just keep playing this game, using all of its features to buy and upgrade your account as much as possible. You can even buy points, money, etc. to help excel your leveling up in this game. So I hope this video has helped. Speak to you soon.